Today I'm building a computer for my first time. For the monitor, yeah, there's not really much to talk about there. For the case, we've got this for the motherboard, Prime B350 Plus. Got the 1060 because why not? Get 650 watts going here. The main reason you probably clicked on this video is because it has Ryzen in the title. And yes, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 1700. Oh, and I got a mic too, so I can film some dope ass audio. I'm not going to go into detail about anything because I'm just going to make a fool out of myself. I hardly know how to build this thing. So far I've installed the RAM, CPU, and CPU cooler. Hard drive there is installed. Super hyped on that. Yeah, I'm hoping everything's plugged in properly. Let's just take a second, everybody, to pray and hope that it boots up. Thank you. Well, that sucks.
Many tic-tacs later.
So I'm just about to show you my new setup.